Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I wanted to show you how to use these pillow boxes to whip up a bunch of gift wrapping ideas. I feel like we give a lot of gift cards these days, or money, or small gifts, but we still want them to look super cute when we wrap them. And we have these cute pillow boxes. I think maybe they come with 20 in a pack, I'm not sure, but aren't these cute? So they're brown paper with the little very vanilla dots. So cute and versatile. And so I whipped up a whole bunch of these for gift cards. I thought I'd show you how simple it was. So I have 3 different designs here. I'm going to show you. So first thing you want to do with your pillow boxes is just take the boxes, what they come with. And I don't know if this is the right or wrong way. This is how I do it. There's one end, or one side has the little divot. I push that one down first, and you see there's a little score line already there. I push that one down first because to me it makes sense. Then you could pull it open easily. Then you just push this one down on top of it. And that's all. So you don't even have to seal them or anything. They stay closed. And you want to do both ends. So 1 and 2. So there's your box. And I consider this the bottom. The size of the flap is down. And then there's a seal. So to me, this is how the pillow box should go. So simple. Then we just need to decorate our box. All right. And as I said, I've come up with 3 different designs. So let me show you this one. So for this first one, I am using the paper from the Tall Tidings. Is that what it's called? Yep, designer series paper. I love that suite so much, you guys. Love it. It's this Tall paper. So I'm going to be using this green side. This paper does come in 12 by 12. So this side is in real red. This side's in the green. It's not so pretty. Like I said, I'm going to use the green size. So you do need to cut your paper. It doesn't really matter your width. For this box, I did 3 inches. You want your paper to be 6.5 inches at least, which is a bummer. These are just a little bit wider, so you can't quite do 6. If you do 6, you're going to have a little bit of a gap showing, which I think you could do. That would be fine if you don't want to waste more paper. You have to go through a lot more paper since we're doing 6.5. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my multi-purpose glue. You want to use a really strong adhesive for this. I don't think the snail is quite strong enough. So I like to use the multi-purpose glue. So I'm just going to go right around the edges. You don't want to like go super heavy with the glue, but just get it right around the edges. This glue is super strong. And then up the middle. Okay. And I'm just going to wrap it around. So since this is my front center, I'm going to make sure, get that just how I want it. Okay. Now it is going to move a tiny bit when I wrap it around. Make sure it's kind of in the middle. And I want my back flap to line up. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of hold it in place for a second. It doesn't take long for this glue to hold. See that? Pretty fast. All right, and just kind of press it down. What I mostly care about is my seal in the back, and that will adhere. All right, so already super cute, right? I love this paper so much. All right, then I grabbed a piece of very vanilla cardstock, just a scrap piece. And I grabbed the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set. This stamp set is awesome, especially if you make a lot of tags and stuff like that. And I'm going to use this one that says Blessed Christmas Wishes, but I actually don't even want the wishes. I just want the Blessed Christmas. So I'll show you how we do that. So I take my stamp, and you can see it says Blessed Christmas Wishes. So the wishes is right here. And I'm just going to grab a Post-it, and I'm just going to cover up the wishes. So it just says Blessed Christmas. Not a big deal. And I'm going to grab my real red ink. Make sure that looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and, oops, I heard the back pop. Yep. Need to spend a little more time. See, it's already adhered completely. I'm gonna hold that on there really tight. It's already adhered. All right, I'm gonna pop open my real red, and I'm gonna go ahead and ink it up. See how it got ink on that? But now I'm gonna pull that off, and there's no ink on the wishes, so I can just go ahead and stamp this right here. Blessed, and I got just Blessed Christmas. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Stampin' Scrub, clean that off. And again, if I was doing a whole bunch, I would do all my stamping at once, stuff like that. Let me pull this off. I'm gonna stick it back in here just so I don't lose it. It's a very good habit to get into. Put your stuff away right away. All right, and I'm gonna close up my ink because that's all I'm doing. Then I grabbed my classic label punch. Hope they never get rid of this. And what I want to do is I want this to be the bottom of my little classic label. So there's a little like arrow. I want that at the end, and then I don't care how much space is over here. So I'm going to line it up. So just like so. And you can see I've done other ones. That's what that was for. So I'm going to stick this back with my scraps. Okay, and close up my punch. So now I have this cute little Blessed Christmas, and I'm actually going to go ahead and stick a glue dot on the end that doesn't have the writing. And I'm going to set that aside. I'll set it on my ink so I don't lose it. All right, and then the last thing I want to do is I'm going to grab some ribbon. So this is the Real Red ruched ribbon. This ribbon is fantastic. I'm in love with this ribbon. But I love ruched anything. Okay. And I'm going to tie a bow right on top here. Just your standard bow. So we're going to go like this. And I want my bow to be up, kind of up toward the top. Let's go around and through. Okay, now you got to spend a second pulling your loops a little bit smaller, and tighter. Nice and tight. This ribbon is nice and big, and so we want that. So I want my loops nice and big, and tight, and luscious. Luscious isn't the right word. Seemed right to me, but. All right, nice and tight. And I'm going to cut my end off here. Okay, with my snips, and I'm going to trim this end. It's a little bit too long. There we go. Okay, and I can rotate my bow to where I want it, right there. Then I'm just going to grab this guy, the Blessed Christmas, and he's just going to slide kind of right under like that, so it's showing. There we go. And that is my box number 1, Blessed Christmas. And here's some other ones I've done. Aren't they so cute? So see, some of my bows, this bow's kind of big. The rest I did a lot smaller. Aren't they so sweet? Blessed Christmas. And again, when I want to fill them, I just pop it open. You can shove tissue in there or whatever. They close right back up, but you don't have to worry about sealing them or anything. Aren't those so cute? So that's pillow box number 1. All right, so let me show you the next one. I just gotta move a few things out of my way so I don't have so much stuff out. Okay. The next one I wanted to do, I wanted to use the Brightly Gleaming Suite. You guys see that one? And I have some goodies out here. So I grabbed paper from the Brightly Gleaming, but before we do that, I guess we should do our pillow box. So again, just grab it, push one in, and this side. And if you ever like buckle like that or whatever, just kind of manipulate it until it should go down correctly. There we go. 1 and 2. Okay, perfect. Pillow box. And here's the front. All right, this is paper from the Brightly Gleaming Suite. This suite has all this like bronze on one side, shiny. It's so pretty. This paper is so pretty. This one I cut at 1 3/4 by 6.5. And we're going to go ahead and wrap this around. So this one I wanted to see just a little bit less showing than on the other one. It's a little bit wider. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to wrap it around first and kind of give myself some score marks, which I should have done last time. There. Now it'll wrap around a little bit easier. So I'm going to grab my glue again and go just around the edges. Oh, did you guys hear that? I don't know what that was. Something with a bell just fell. Okay. Let's try to get this in the center as best I can. Get that where it was. Okay, so I'm going to kind of push the back down, wrap it around. Oh, that was so much easier. Actually, I think I'm going to put this over this. I like to line my flaps up. And if you're having trouble with it popping in like that, you can open up the box and stick your finger in, you know, if you need something to push against. But when you do open up the box, it kind of, the air pops out, you know, it doesn't stay as, anyway, you'll see. So there's that one. Cute, right? I love this paper. All right. So for this one, easy, simple. All right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these stars. These are called the Brightly Gleaming Foil Elements. So each sheet, let me grab out a sheet here. I just want the star. But each of these sheets has 2 stars, there's leaves, there's these little these 2 little stars, the 4 branches, and then these are ornaments, little Christmas ornaments. Aren't those so cute? But I just need the 1 star, and they do a good job. There's like foil sheets or tissue paper in between so they don't all get stuck together. These are a lot of fun. And now I'm never going to be able to get this back in the package. There we go. Okay. So I grab one of these stars, and I'm going to grab a mini glue dot, and I'm just going to stick it right in the center. And I want my star right in the middle, like so. Okay. Then I'm going to grab these star designer elements, or what they're called. And they're these little bronze stars. Aren't these so cute? They're all in that suite, all this stuff. And I'm going to put it right in the center. Obviously the star didn't need that, but I thought it just adds a little bit more and a little more dimension. Let me push these in. Okay. And then to finish it off, I wanted a sentiment. So I grabbed the Very Vanilla Copper. Was I calling it bronze before? It's all copper, but whatever. This is the classic weave ribbon. Okay, you guys, look at this. It's very vanilla, and then it says Merry Christmas. So it says it in all capitals and then in cursive. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I love this ribbon so much. So what I did is I took it and I cut. I'm going to cut a little. I'm going to use these for my words. So I'm going to cut right. There we go. This item, just going to trim this up a little. There we go. All right. And I'm going to take my snail adhesive and just snail adhesive the back. And this is going to go right at the bottom. I was trying to figure out how to use the ribbon, and I was like, I just want the words. And so I was like, why not just use it? Look at that. Merry Christmas. Isn't that so cute? And here's some other ones I did up. And so some of them have the printing and some of them have the cursive. Aren't those so pretty? Merry Christmas. These ones, I'm not sure if it's really coming across on screen, but these ones are really pretty and very elegant looking. I like these ones a lot. Okay, so that's the second one. And then let me go ahead and show you the third one. So for the third one, let me grab my little stack of supplies here. All right, so for this one, I wanted to use the Let It Snow Designer Series paper. So let me go ahead and fold in my pillow box. 1 and 2. This would be, if you have kids, this would be a good activity for them. Have them fold up all your pillow boxes if you're making a whole bunch so that they're all ready to go. All right, so I grabbed the Let It Snow paper. This paper is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much snowman stuff. But look at this. The paper already comes with glittery snowman. I had to use these. So I cut this one at, I believe it's 3 inches. Yep. 3 inches, and then by the 6.5. And for this pillow box, it's going to go this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around. So let's see. I'm going to go, I kind of want this guy to be my focal point. Let's go ahead. We'll put him over a tiny bit. So the paper, this paper, some of the pieces, I could get 2 snowmen in one, and some I could only get 1, but I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and do my score marks. Okay, let's do our glue again. Easy peasy. Okay, and seriously, you don't need a ton of glue. A little goes a long way. This is the front of my box. Okay, let's wrap this guy around. Okay, and give him a good press, and hold. Look at that, and it's already stuck together. It's not even coming apart. I love that glue so much. Okay, so I've got one little snowman on the front so far. He's super cute. All right, then I'm going to take this ribbon right here. This is the Real Red, what are we calling this? Curly ribbon. This reminds me of the ribbon my mom would put in my hair when I was a little girl. Okay. So I'm going to grab this, and we're going to tie a bow. See how it kind of has this little empty space down here? So I'm going to tie a bow. Just your traditional bow right at the bottom. And I'm not going to worry too much about where it's at right this second because I can move it. Want it a little bit smaller than that. Okay, cute. And let's go ahead and cut the ends. This one's a little too long. Okay, so I have a bow at the bottom here. Cute. And then I grabbed the Elfie stamp set because I wanted the Just For You, although this stamp set's adorable. But I wanted to just use the Just For You. And so I've got my Real Red ink again. And some Coastal Cabana paper, which matches the paper here. And I'm just going to stamp Just For You. Perfect. Grab my scrub one more time, clean that off. Close up my ink. Put my Real Red away. There we go. Grab this guy. Put him back in the package. I know that part is probably boring to watch. All right. And then I'm going to grab my 1-inch circle punch and cut out that Just For You. Just For You. And we're going to stick a dimensional on the back because, well, we want a little dimension. And push that on there. Peel that off. And this is going to go right here. Just For You. All right. Isn't that so cute? And here's some other ones of those I did. Now, see, they're all a tiny bit different. See, some of them have 2 snowmen. Some have the green snowman. The Just For You's all kind of in a different spot. But aren't those so cute? I love them. So anyway, let me show you all of them. Let's see if I can get them all here in this shot. And, of course, the 12 tidings. These ones, seriously, I think these might be my favorite. I don't know. They're all so different. So anyway, look at all these cute pillow boxes we came up with and really didn't take much time at all. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.